Hello everyone. The 2025 Chevrolet Impala has made a stunning return, blending timeless elegance with modern innovations. This full-size sedan continues to uphold its reputation for providing a comfortable, spacious, and smooth driving experience, making it an appealing choice for families and enthusiasts alike. With a bold design, advanced technology, and efficient powertrains, the 2025 Impala sets new standards for practicality and style. Under the hood, the Impala offers multiple engine options to cater to a variety of driving preferences. From a reliable four-cylinder engine for those prioritizing fuel economy to a robust V6 that delivers ample power for highway cruising, the lineup ensures a balance between performance and efficiency. The engines are paired with a refined automatic transmission, ensuring smooth gear changes and responsive acceleration. Additionally, Chevrolet has introduced mild hybrid technology in select models, further enhancing fuel efficiency and reducing emissions without compromising on performance. The 2025 Impala's exterior design is a testament to modern automotive craftsmanship. Its sculpted body lines, LED lighting, and aerodynamic profile not only make it visually appealing but also improve overall efficiency. Available in a range of striking colors and with multiple wheel designs, the Impala offers a customizable look to suit individual tastes. The inclusion of premium chrome accents and an optional panoramic sunroof elevates the sedan's luxurious appeal. Inside, the Impala impresses with a spacious cabin designed for both driver and passenger comfort. High-quality materials, ergonomic seating, and ample legroom ensure a pleasant experience, even on long journeys. The trunk space remains one of the largest in its class, making it ideal for families and travelers. The center console features Chevrolet's latest infotainment system with a large touchscreen display, seamless smartphone integration, and intuitive controls. Features like wireless charging, a premium sound system, and multiple USB ports add to the convenience and entertainment options. Safety is a priority for the 2025 Chevrolet Impala. It is equipped with an array of advanced driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. These features, combined with a robust structural design and a suite of airbags, ensure peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. Chevrolet's commitment to safety is further emphasized by its top safety ratings in various crash tests. The Impala also excels in offering a smooth and composed ride, thanks to its finely tuned suspension system. Whether navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the Impala delivers a refined driving experience with minimal road noise and precise handling. The addition of selectable drive modes allows drivers to tailor the car's performance to suit different road conditions and personal preferences. Overall, the 2025 Chevrolet Impala stands out as a versatile and reliable choice in the full-size sedan segment. Its combination of sophisticated design, advanced features, and impressive performance ensures it remains a strong contender in a competitive market. Whether you're looking for a comfortable daily driver or a stylish family car, the Impala has something to offer for everyone. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews, features, and updates on the latest cars. Your support helps us bring you more content like this. Stay tuned for more.